Lisa with WTI. This crossbody leather bag by DK86 is high quality and super stylish. I want you to pay attention to how well this is made. I love this buckle closure because it makes it difficult for someone to unknowingly unzip your bag. So it's such a safety feature. I also like this just so you can put money, any credit card, or your phone. You're going to see that this is genuine leather. This is nice, this is smooth, and this is very high quality. I love everything about this crossbody bag, and I really appreciate that not only I can use it, but my husband can use it as well. So I would say this is a unisex crossbody bag. You're also going to see that it's super spacious, but it's not overly bulky. It also has this adjustable strap, and I really like that you can change it either to the left or to the right depending on which way you prefer to carry it. This crossbody bag from DK86 would make a perfect gift. You're going to see that it has beautiful details that makes it super elegant. The stitching is just right. I love everything about this bag, and as you can see, it's just beautiful. With that being said, I want you to check this beautiful genuine leather crossbody bag, and that is just my point of view.